Why learn HTML? HTML is a markup language used by browser to manipulate text, images, and other content in order to display in the required format. In the other hand, it is a simple markup language and its implementation is easy. It is used to create a website, helps in developing fundamentals about web programming, boost professional careers. HTML history. It was created by Tim Berners-Lee in 1991. The first version of HTML didn't have a number, but it was just called HTML. Initial release of the HTML was 1993. In the 1995, the Internet Engineering Task Force standardized HTML and HTML 2.0 was born. In 1997, the World Wide Web Consortium presented the next version of HTML, the HTML 3.2. It was followed by HTML 4.0 in 1998 and 4.01 in 1999. The Web Hypertext Application Technology Working Group began working on a new version of HTML that is not as thick as XHTML. This was called HTML5. The version of HTML had only 18 tags and it was very limited in functionality. Each version of the introduced new elements, attributes, and standardized to improve the web experience. However, none of them could fully address the needs and challenges of 21st century web, such as multimedia, interactivity, accessibility, and compatibility. HTML5 is the largest, most advanced version of HTML. HTML5 is not just a markup language but a collection of technology that enable rich and dynamic web applications. HTML5 introduces new elements, attributes, APIs, and syntax rules that makes web development easier, faster, and more powerful. Advantages of HTML. HTML is used to build websites. It is supported by all browsers. It can be integrated with other languages like CSS, JavaScript, etc. Disadvantages of HTML. HTML can only create static web pages. For dynamic web pages, other languages have to be used. A large amount of code has to be written to create a simple web page. The security features is not good. Conclusion: HTML is a very important language as it is widely used in creating websites. Most of the websites are built using HTML5, the latest version of HTML. HTML mainly contains tags and attributes that determine the formatting and structure of the website. This introduction to HTML gives a brief overview of what HTML is and teaches HTML basics. This guide will help you understand and working of HTML explained in with the examples. To learn more about HTML, please visit my HTML guide video here.